Buongiorno amici, this is Vito's Italian Cucina, and today is a very special day today. That's right, today we're going to be doing eggplant lasagna, or melanzana. Lasagna. This is a melanzana. It's an eggplant, which is going to be beautiful. You're going to love this. It's a very simple recipe, and I want you to just stay with me and watch this. I'm going to show you what we got today. Look down here. Right over here we have mushrooms. What are mushrooms? Fungi. Fungi, that's right. And then we have some spinach. Look at that. Spinach. Look how beautiful that is. Maron. Look at that. Spinach. That's a spinach. Then we're going to go over here and we're going to use some ricotta. This is ricotta cheese. It's a beautiful, beautiful blend right there. And then, look at this. Zucchinis. I'm going to go like this. Look, it's a zucchini. How do you say zucchini in Italian? Zucchini. That's it. Okay, that's an easy one. Over here, then we have some slices of eggplant, and we have some slices of zucchini right here. Right? Okay, but I'm not finished yet. I'm going to come over here and show you what else is going to go in here. Here is a mixture of jack cheese and some mozzarella right there. And this is formaggi. Formaggi, the cheeses. I love to say that. And then we have some aglio. This is aglio right here. And today we're going to use some granulated aglio, some garlic, okay, which is going to be a lot easier to use. But first I got to tell you something here. I got to go over here and show you the slices. Look how thin these things are. Look at those babies, nice and thin. That's what you want to do. I mean, you could cut them with a knife and the whole bit. But I decided to use what we call is some mandolin. It's a mandolin. And you cannot play this. And this one has no, it's like a slide guitar, this thing. But here's the problem. You see this thing right here? Yeah, that's right. I'm supposed to know what I'm doing, but I also cut myself. So this is what you got to be very, very careful out there, folks. Even when you use your knives. But these mandolins, these things, I got caught today. And it wasn't pretty, but I got it all done. And what you do is you put them in there and you slide it back and forth, but you use this. You never use just your hand on there. My mother would have hit me in the head on that one. Anyway, live and learn. Just want to share that with you guys. And what I did was I sliced everything very thinly. And I'm going to show you what we're going to do. We're going to go over to the stove right now. But first I'm going to show you this is a finished product. Look at how finished and beautiful, beautiful these eggplants. It's a melanzana. It's brown on both sides. And what I did was I put egg white on there first, okay? And why do I put egg white on there? Very simple, because it doesn't, it's like a sponge, eggplant, a melanzana. It's like a sponge. It'll soak in the oil, your little oleo, olive oil in there. So when you put the egg white on there, it helps not soak it up, and it helps it also brown. And now you don't have to use it on the zucchini, but I fried that up too a little bit, and we're going to put that all together. But for right now, what we're going to do is we're going to go over to the stove, and we're going to show you how I do this little thing over here. Come on over here. You're going to love this. Okay? We got our fire on. Of course our fire's on. Yeah, there we go. And we go ahead and put this baby in here like this, and we put them in there, and we go like this. Okay? I'm going to put them down just like this, and it goes just like this. And you put them down. It's very, very simple. And you do the same thing with the zucchini. But I'm not going to do that right now. I'm going to do is just show you how we do this right there. But I'm going to show you while you're here, is back here, of course, I've got my sauce that's been cooking. Look at that maron. Look at that sugu. Or some of you guys like to call it gravy. But, you know, right now it's all cooking. Man, does that smell good. Woo, baby. I love it. So I'm going to let that just keep going right there. In fact, I think that the sauce is pretty much done back there. So I'm going to go ahead and switch that off. And what we do is here, let me show you this, how I do this here. You let them fry up. The pan wasn't hot enough yet. So what you do is you let them brown. And then what you do is you go, instead of picking it up like this, you pick it up like this, and it sticks, and you go, bing, and it goes like this. Look, bang. Okay, but if you pick it up like this with the spatula that way, you can still do it, but it's not as much fun. You got to go backwards. I like going backwards. You flip them over like that, and you brown them, and then that's that. Okay, that's enough of that, folks. I'm going to go ahead and turn that down a little bit right now and just let those go ahead and cook. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to come on over here, and because this is the magic of TV, this bowl, this pan here with sauce in it appeared out of nowhere. I wonder how that happens. It does. But here's what we're going to do. We're going to start by putting a little bit of oleo on the bottom, some olive oil, and a little bit of sauce, okay? And then what we're going to do is we're going to go, and you stay right there, is I'm going to bring in lasagna. And today, we're going to go ahead and we're going to use the wheat lasagna. So I'm going to go ahead, and I'm going to start layering it in there like that. Can you see how I'm going to do that? Easy. Just lay it down and just on top of there, you put the sauce on the bottom like that and the oleo so it doesn't stick. That's the whole idea. Okay? Doesn't stick. And you go ahead and lay them in there. Can you see how I'm doing that? That's good. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and put this down. And I'm going to step over here. And you stay right there. I'll be right back. I'm going to get the sauce. Come on over. And now I'm just going to put a little layer of spaghetti sauce on top, just like this. Look how simple this is, folks. This is like, not brain surgery. You know what I'm saying? And you put a little bit like that. And then I'm going to go ahead and put this down over here. And this time what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the ricotta cheese. Oh, boy. And I'm going to take a little scoop like this, and you're going to put it in like that. Just like little dollops, just like this. Oh, man, this is beautiful. Look at that. Put it in just like it is. You put it in like that. And you sing it through the food. It's always good to sing it through the food. You put it like it is, just like that, okay? And then what I'm going to do is we're going to come over and get some melanzana. There's our eggplant. And we're going to just layer it just like that. Look at how beautiful that looks. Oh, my goodness. Isn't this great? Okay, just like that. And then I'm going to come over and get some fungi. Here's my fungi, which is the mushrooms. And I'm going to go ahead and just sprinkle like that. And then I'm going to get some zucchini. And we're going to put this, like that. And you're not so much the zucchini. I just put a little bit in there just for a little bit of pleasure like that, because I like to do that, okay? And then guess what I'm going to do? Spinach. A little bit of spinach. Can you say it with me? A spinach. Very nice. Okay, you take it as spinach and you put it in here like this, because this is going to be great, folks. I'm going to tell you, just layer that in here just like that, okay? And then what we're going to do, right? A little bit of ayo. That's right. Just a little bit of ayo, which is garlic. And you go ahead and you sprinkle a little bit on top of that. Of course, that may be too much for some of you folks, but I like it. And then on top of that, what we're going to do? More sauce, okay? We're going to go just like this. Just like that. Just like that. Ah, isn't that nice? Look how beautiful that looks already. Isn't that great? Wow. Stay with me. Formaggi. That's right. Because after this, the last layer of the spaghetti sauce, we got to put the formaggi, which is the cheese. Okay? Just like this. Okay? Just like that nice layer. Already it's looking great. Okay? All right. There we go, and that's it. That's it. Look how gorgeous that looks. Look at this. I'm going to go, oh my God, I'm going to need help getting to the oven. Okay, 350 degrees for 25 minutes. And just a little slight review. I used 2 eggplants sliced very thin. And I used a couple of zucchinis, some cheese, spinach, you saw what else I got there. It's all ready to go for you, and you're going to adjust. So let's go on under the oven and get this in there. I can't wait. I can't wait. Get it down in there. Yeah, put it, and I'm going to use a pizza pan like that so it don't bubble over. And if it does, it's going to get caught, okay? Isn't that gorgeous? I'll tell you right now. Woo! Wow, that looks great. Can't wait. Another 24 minutes and we're ready to go. Oh my goodness, look at that. Wow. Can you see that, folks? Holy macaroni. All right, I'm going to go grab it. Here we go. Here we go. Alrighty, there we go. Oh, look at that. Wow, maron. Let me go ahead and put that down like that. I'll go ahead and close this up. I gotta tell you, this is meraviglioso. And you know what that means? Woohoo! Maron means very good, okay? Wonderful. Ah, I love it. Oh, boy, look at that maron. Is that gorgeous or what? I can't really wait for this. This is going to be beautiful. And I'll tell you, I hope you had a good time. This didn't take no time at all. Just get in there and do it, folks. You're going to enjoy it. And I'm going to enjoy this. It's really too bad, folks, that, it's just me and Jimmy the Beak, the camera operator here. But obviously he has to do camera, so I get to eat. Sorry, Jimmy. Enjoy. Just keep rolling up. I'm going to enjoy myself here, buddy. What? Hey, what the heck? What are you doing? What are you doing, Jimmy? You know, the show's not over yet. What? Well, this is Jimmy the Beak. I guess he's enjoying himself. Well, I guess that's our show, folks. Let me get this. Is this in my shot? That's our show, folks. Join us again at Vito's Italian Cucina, where we do lots of things here. We have a lot of fun here. And, hey, you know, I'm not going to do this by myself. No. Get down here. You know, I guess it gets his own on-air stuff there. That's Jimmy the Beak. Hey, Jimmy, can you have a bite, please? Please, just a little bit before we go off the air. Oh, that's not good. See you later. Ciao for now.